Tonight on Celebrity Family Feud, it's Christopher Knight and Adrian Curry.
You doubted him.
I do all the time. He's my husband.
Corbin Burnson and Amanda Page.
Calm me, stroke me.
Margaret Cho.
Getting smacked down by Mr. Cho.
And from American Chopper, the Tuttle.
A little faint there.
And now, it's Celebrity Family Feud with the star of our show, Al Roker.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Tonight, 4 big-time celebrity families will feud it out. The winning team could claim $50,000 for their favorite charity. However, the losers will hear a whole lot of this. One of them can build your dream bike. The other, a very Brady bride and groom. Let's meet our first 2 families.
It's the American Chopper family versus the Knight family.
These guys are gearheads. What do they know about American opinion?
He's just a little Brady kid. A real man needs this.
All right, from American Chopper, the Tuttle family. And they'll be battling it out with the Knight family. Paul, welcome. Nice to see you.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Okay. You don't see. I was going to say
yet.
you don't really seem too thrilled about
really
seeing
am.
me. You are.
I am.
All right. Well, I tell you what. You don't want to lose to a Brady, do you?
Hell no.
Yeah, you're never gonna live that down.
Not happening.
It's not happening.
Today. Not today.
Paul, tell us who you brought here.
I got Paul Jr. over here, my son, Mikey, my son, Steve, and Ron.
All right. Now, what charity are you guys playing for?
Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Make-A-Wish Foundation. Lovely charity. All right, thanks for being here. And let's say hello to the Knight family. Christopher, how are you?
Al Roker, how are you?
All right, who did you bring here?
We have my lovely wife, Adrian, her best friend, Andrea, her mother, Christine, and her brother, Nick.
All right. And what charity are you guys playing for?
We're playing for the American Cancer Society and a local pet rescue, Precious Paws.
All right, there you go. Well, good luck, all you families. You guys ready for action? All right, Paul, Christopher, let's play the feud.
Come on. Come on.
Back off, Al.
Okay, is here good? That's good enough for you? Okay. We surveyed 100 people. Top 6 answers are on the board. Name a way you can make bathing a sexy experience. Christopher.
Putting bubbles in the bath.
The bubble bath. Show me Mr. Bubbles. Oh. Paul, one answer, more popular. What is it?
Suntan lotion.
Suntan lotion. You want to get all greasy in the bath.
Hell yeah.
Okay, show me suntan lotion. Oh, all right. You guys gonna play or pass?
We're gonna play. We're gonna play.
Okay, well, let's see what happens. All right, Adrian, name a way you can make bathing a sexy experience.
Rose petals.
Oh, show me rose petals. Oh, all right. 4 more answers up there. No strikes. Andrea, nice to see you.
Nice.
How you doing?
Good, good.
All right, name me a way you can make bathing a sexy experience.
A pretty outfit.
Show me a pretty outfit. First strike. Christine, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Nice to see you. So, name me a way you like to make the bath a sexy experience.
A hot oil rub down prior to the bath.
A hot oil rub down. Show me the hot oil rub down. Oh, 2 strikes. American Chopper family, get ready. Nick, it's up to you. 2 strikes. You think you got it?
Candles.
Candles. Show me the candles. All right. Still alive. Number 1 answer. Still up there, Chris.
Do it,
I think I know what
You
it
think you know what it is?
is. Yeah. Sexy music.
Oh.
R&B.
Little Barry White.
Little Barry White.
Yeah, get the candles going.
You got one.
Show me sexy music. Oh, 3 strikes. All right. American Chopper guys, Ron, what do you think? Champagne. Another person. Paul, you can go with any of those or come up with one.
Another person.
You're going to go with another person. If you get it, you steal. Take the lead. If not, points go over to the Knights. Show me another person. Number 1. You're scaring me. Show me number 5. Number 6. All right. Well, Paul Jr., Adrian, let's play the feud. Alrighty. We surveyed 100 people. Top 7 answers up on the board. Name something that might happen if you laugh really, really hard. Paul Jr.
You might snort.
You might snort.
Yeah.
Could be.
I guess.
Could be. Show me the snort. Okay. Adrian, 6 answers more popular. What do you think?
You might pee.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Can't go wrong with you might pee. All right. Show me you might take a tinkle. Whoa! You guys gonna play?
Yeah,
We're playing. All right, Paul Jr., go over. Get ready. Wow, the number 1 answer. Name something that might happen if you laugh really, really hard, Andrea.
You might fart. Not me.
Not you. No, you wouldn't. Show me you might poot. 4 more answers up there. No strikes, Christine.
You might cry.
You might cry. Show me I cried. Guys are in great shape and no strikes. What do you think, Nick?
I think pull a muscle.
Pull a muscle.
Yeah. Laughing really hard?
Show me the old muscle pull. Oh, first strike. Chris, what do you think?
Bust a gut.
Show me bust a gut.
Who would have thought?
You doubted him.
I did. I do
did.
all the time. He's my husband.
Just goes with the territory.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm used to it.
You still have 2 answers up there. You got 1 strike. What do you think, Adrian?
Turn red.
Turn red. Show me turn red. Uh-oh, 2 strikes. Chopper family, get ready. Andrea, what do you think?
You may spit your drink out.
Kind of like the Danny Thomas spit take. Oh, sorry.
Good job.
Show me spit out your drink. Uh-oh. American Chopper family, what do you think? Need an answer. Ron? Steve?
We're going to say cough.
You're gonna go, Paul?
Cough.
You're going to go with cough.
Going with cough.
If you get this, you take a commanding lead. Show me cough. Wow. Show me number 6. Stay with us. Coming up, 2 new families. A Major League star takes on a Major League funny girl. Don't go away. Celebrity Family Feud rolls on right after this. And welcome back to Celebrity Family Feud. The Tuttle family, 126. The Knight family, nothing yet. But it's time for another face-off. Christopher's family friend, Andrea. Paul's son, Mikey. Let's play the feud. Alrighty, now, it's still anybody's game because for this question, the point values are tripled. We surveyed 100 people. Top 4 answers up on the board. Name something that might be a foot long. Mikey.
A hot dog.
I was going to say something off-colored.
Thank you for not doing that.
Yes.
Appreciate that. Show me a hot dog. Number 1. All right, Mikey, pass or play?
Play.
You're going to play, okay?
Play.
Andrea, if you go back to your family. Mikey? Good job, Mike. Good job. Steve, name something that might be a foot long, Steve.
A ruler.
Show me ruler. Name me something that might be a foot long, Ron.
Your foot.
Yes! Good answer!
Show me your foot. Whoa! Paul, you are one answer away from winning this bad boy. All right? 3 seconds, Paul. Well, time's up. Oh. All right, Paul Jr. 3 seconds.
Come on, Bulls, you got it. Come on.
Whoa! Knight family, get ready. Mikey, it's up to you, my friend.
I really can't think of anything, so I'm just going to say shin bone.
The shin bone.
No, it's in the bag.
I'd be ready if I were you. Show me the shin bone. Oh, what a shock! Knight family, come on! Nick, what do you think? Christine?
I think it's Kyle.
Andrea? Adrian?
Move by the foot.
Christopher?
I don't have a clue.
All right, come on. Here we go.
Tile.
3 seconds.
Tile or brick or tile?
Tile. All right. If tile is up there, you steal this and we have a tiebreaker. If not, the Tuttle family, American Chopper, will win. Show me tile. The Tuttles win. Show me number 4. Row. Oh, my God. Listen, you guys were a lot of fun. We hope you enjoyed it, Adrian, Andrea, Christine, Nick, thank you so much. It's time to meet our next families. One of them laid down the LA law. The other broke every rule of comedy.
It's the Burnson family versus the Cho family.
How do I know we're gonna win? Don't you watch Psych? Still, I see it. Team Burnson wins.
We have no weaknesses. Unless there's somebody shows up with dried fish, then everything's over.
Please welcome the Burnson family. And they are battling against the Cho family. Corbin.
What's up, bud?
It is good to see you, my friend.
Good seeing you, man. Good
How's it
seeing
going?
you. Very well.
And we want to say right off the bat, we know you lost your dad recently.
I did.
And you're kind of playing for him besides
We
Jerry.
are. We are indeed. For
All
Dad.
right.
As he would say, the show must go on.
Absolutely.
All right.
So, who have you brought with you?
Beautiful love of my life, forever and now, forever and ever. Amanda. I know. They hate all that stuff. Angus, who got his driver's license 2 days ago.
Angus!
Oliver, my oldest son, who plays football at the University of Connecticut.
All right.
And Henry, the intellectual one of the group down there at the end.
Now, Corbin, what charity are you guys playing
Well,
for?
since the LA Law days, I've been involved with the Santa Monica Rape Treatment Center, a wonderful organization helping women.
All right.
Crisis.
All right, good luck.
Continue to do so.
Okay. Let's say hello to the Cho family. How are you, Margaret?
I'm
Good to
great.
see you. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Well, I got to tell you, so you got a good-looking family
I
here.
do.
You
Aren't
really
they
do.
lovely? And they
really-
all have driver's licenses already.
Oh, that's great.
They've been driving for a while.
Who have you brought with you?
I brought with me my wonderful father, Sung Hoon Cho, and my mother, Young Hee Cho, and then my very, very wonderful friend and makeup artist, John Stapleton, and my wonderful friend and assistant, Selene Luna.
All right. And what charity are you playing for?
We are playing for the MAC AIDS Fund.
Oh, that's great. All righty. All right, let's play the feud. Corbin, Margaret, let's go. Hey, break it up, break it up. Wow, it's already started. Okay. Top 5 answers are on the board. We asked 100 men. Name something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you. Margaret?
Shave you.
Show me, save you. Oh, not up there. Corbin, name something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you in the hospital.
Change your clothes.
Change your underwear. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Show me, change your clothes. All right. You're going to play or pass?
We are going to play.
All right. Margaret, you go over there and let's see what happens. Amanda, nice to see you. Now, name me something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you in the hospital.
Check their prostate.
Check their prostate.
No? Good answer.
Show me, check the prostate. All right, Angus. Name something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you in the hospital.
Clean me.
Clean you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Show me, clean me. Oh. Oliver, name something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you in the hospital.
Feed me?
Feed you.
There you go.
Yes.
You ready, Henry?
I have no idea.
Show me, feed me. Oh, first strike. Two more answers up there, Henry. What do you think?
Check temperature. I don't have no idea.
Check your temperature. All right.
Oh, boy.
All right. Depending on where she's got to check the temperature, that could be a little embarrassing. Show me, check my temperature. Oh, two strikes. Get ready there, Cho family. All right. Corbin, here we go. Name something you'd be embarrassed for a nurse to do to you in the hospital.
I'm not sure how to phrase it, but calm me, stroke me, make me not act like mommy.
Can you maybe coalesce that into some sort of thing that might be on the board?
Comfort me.
Comfort me.
Okay.
Show me, comfort me. Oh, three strikes. Cho family. What do you think?
We got to change the bedpan.
Okay.
Change your bedpan.
You want to go with change the bedpan?
Yes.
All right. If it's up there, you steal the points. If not, the points go to the Burnson family. Show me Mr. Bedpan. Oh, Burnson, get the points. Number 3. Oh, a shot in the tuchus. Whoa. Number 5. An enema. Oh. Well, the Burnsons go on the board first with 68. Cho family, nothing. Anybody's game. Who's going to take it? Find out when Celebrity Family Feud returns. Turn your head and cough. And welcome back to Celebrity Family Feud. The Burnson family got on the board first with 68. The Cho family, nothing. Let's move on to our next question. Corbin's wife, Amanda. Margaret's dad, Mr. Cho. Let's play the feud. You guys ready?
We're ready.
All righty, here we go. We surveyed 100 people. The top 6 answers are up on the board. Name a slang term for someone who informs on a friend. Mr. Cho.
Snitch.
A snitch. You jumped in pretty quick with that one. Like
You have to win.
Like you've been snitching on people. All right. Show me snitch. Number 1. You're gonna play? Yeah, you're gonna play. They're gonna play, Amanda. You guys wait over there. See what happens. All righty. Name a slang term, Mrs. Cho, for somebody who informs on a friend.
Rat.
Rat. You dirty rat. Yeah. Show me rat. All right. What do you think, John?
Squealer.
A squealer. Show me squealer. All right. You guys are in great shape. Selena, what do you think?
Oh, man. I think a Benedict Arnold.
Let's see what the survey says. Show me Benedict Arnold. Oh. Got 3 more answers up there, Margaret. What do you think?
Punk.
A punk. Let's find out if punk is up there. Oh, 2 strikes. Burnson family, get ready. Mr. Cho, what do you think?
Turncoat.
Turncoat. Have you ever had anybody informal on you?
No.
No.
I didn't do anything
You've never done anything wrong. Right. Show me a turncoat. Whoa, all right. 3 strikes. Burnson family, what do you think? Henry?
What do you want me to do?
Tattletale.
Let me do Tattletale.
Tattletale.
Doesn't seem like a slang name, but we're gonna go with
You're going to go with Tattletale.
Tattletale. Yeah,
If it's up there, you guys take a big lead. If not,
Tattletale?
the Cho family gets the points. Show me Tattletale. Number 4. Backstabber. Number 5. Narc. Let's play another game. Corbin's son, Angus. Margaret's mom, Mrs. Cho. Let's play the feud. Ooh, I like that. All right. The point values are tripled, so it's anybody's game, all right? Top 4 answers are up there on the board. Name something that's considered rude to ask someone about. Angus.
The price of something?
The price of something, all right? Show me the price of something. Oh. Mrs. Cho, what will you think?
Age.
Your age. Show me your age. All right. Are you going to play? Play or pass? You're going to play. Okay, guys. Let's see what happens.
Play.
There we go. Nicely done. John, I can't help but notice there's some sort of tattoo peeking out.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
What is that?
That is rude.
What? It's
That was
rude?
rude. That was rude. There you go. That's good. Show me your...
Getting smacked down by Mr. Cho.
It could be up there.
All right, well, what do you think, John?
Salary. What's your salary?
What's your salary?
How much do you make?
How much do you make? Show me your salary. All right. Elena, name something that's considered rude to ask someone about.
Someone's weight.
Yes!
Show me weight. Whoa. Margaret, name something that's considered rude to ask someone about. 3 seconds.
How many times they've been married?
Ah, show me how many times someone's been married. All right. There you go.
Stick around to see who moves on to play against the Tuttles right after this.
Welcome back to Celebrity Family Feud. Nobody reached 300 points. We're now going to sudden death. Corbin's son, Oliver. Margaret's assistant, John. Let's go. All righty, hands on the podium, please. Now, for this survey, we're asking for the top answer only. Points are still tripled. Whoever gets this answer wins the round. Are you ready? Yep. All right, a little pressure here.
No.
Which talk show has the trashiest guests? Oliver.
Jerry Springer.
Jerry Springer.
Yes! Yes! It's gonna be up there.
If it's up there,
It's gonna be there. I know it.
you guys go to the final round with the Tuttles from American Chopper and a chance for $50,000 for your charity. Show me Jerry Springer. Very good, John. Thank you so much. Margaret, you guys were wonderful. Thank you. Mr. Cho, such a nice pleasure to meet you. Mr. Cho, John, Elena, thank you. And congratulations to the Burnson family. You guys are moving on to the final round. Going to be taking on the Tuttles from American Chopper for $50,000 in charity money.
We're gonna win! We're gonna live to ride and ride to live!
We've returned with our 2 winning families, the Burnson family and And the Tuttle family from American Chopper. They are set to play a final game that will decide who goes on to play Fast Money for a chance at $50,000 for their charity. All righty, are you guys ready to play? Ready to play? Corbin, Paul, let's play the feud. Whoa. Let's see those guns. Show me those guns. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Top 5 answers are on the board. We asked 100 men, name something you do when you realize you've run out of clean underwear. Corbin.
Wash your new underwear. Wash it.
Wash your underwear. Show me wash the undies. Number 1, you're going to play or pass? You're going to play? All right, Nicole. You guys go over there and see what happens.
Called me by Dino. It was
Dino.
Like, it was like when, you know, in the 70s, that was like cool.
Well, Amanda, now you're in a household of 5 guys.
Yes.
I bet underwear runs out on a regular basis.
Well, we'll do a lot of switching off, say, you know. What? Not with me.
Wait a minute. So, in other words, when you tell them to change their underwear, they change with each other?
Is that normal? Sure.
No, when one runs out of clean ones, they borrow from another one.
Borrow from the others.
Yes, Angus.
Clean underwear. Show me borrow underwear. Oh, not there. All right. What would you do?
Don't wear any at all.
Ah.
Commando.
Commando.
Yeah.
Swinging free.
Yeah.
Exactly, that's what I said.
Show me go commando. Oliver.
I wear shorts.
Like gym shorts.
Like gym shorts.
Okay. Because it's like underwear.
It's another form of it.
Right. Show me gym shorts. Oh. You got 2 strikes. American Chopper family, get ready. Angus, you got it?
Yeah.
You're on it?
Yeah.
What is it?
You just wear the dirty ones.
There you go. Yeah, smart. He knows.
Show me where are the dirty ones. There we go. Corbin, you're still alive. What do you think?
I would say you just go out and buy some new ones. I'm thinking that's Corbin style.
That's Corbin style.
Yeah.
I like the way you think. Show me, buy some new ones. All right, Amanda, it is up to you. There's 1 answer left.
Ooh, gosh,
you get it? You get the points.
Tricky.
If not, the Tuttles get a chance to steal. What do you do when you realize you've run out of clean underwear?
Don't go out.
Don't
Stay
go
home.
out. Show me, just stay inside. Oh, 3 strikes. Tuttles, got a shot here. Ron, what do you say? Come on, I need an answer. Need an answer.
Steel pair.
Okay, what do you think, Paul?
Steal a pair. Steal a pair.
Steal a pair of underwear.
Pair of underwear. I don't think that's gonna work. Come on. Bring it to us. Bring us the answer.
Show me, steal them. Oh! Burnson family on the board first. Reveal number 5. Turn them in. Burnson family 91, Chopper family near 0. Still anybody's game. We're going to be right back with more Celebrity Family Feud. I got to adjust my shorts. Welcome back to Celebrity Family Feud. The Burnson family got on the board first with 91. The Tuttle family and American Chopper, 0. But let's move on to our next question. Amanda, Paul Jr., let's play the feud.
Go, mama.
Bring it on, mama. Here we go. We surveyed 100 people. Top 5 answers up on the board. Name something people pick. Paul Jr.
Their nose.
Yeah! Show me my nose. Number 1. He kind of hurt you. You playing or passing?
We're gonna play. We're gonna play. Yeah.
All right. What else would you like to pick, Mikey?
I would say pick your teeth.
Pick your teeth.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Show me your teeth.
Yeah.
All right. 3 more answers up there. Name something people like to pick.
Their underwear.
The wedgie. Pick your wedgie. That's all we're saying.
Show me the wedgie. All right. First strike. Ron, what do you think?
I'd say your scab.
Yeah! Good answer, Wiretail. That's it.
Show me the scab. Oh, 2 strikes. Burnson family, get ready. Paul, name me something people pick.
Pick their feet.
Pick their feet. All right. Show me the feet. Oh, Burnson family. Here we go. Oliver, let me hear it. What do you think?
Flowers.
Henry.
Flowers.
Angus. Amanda.
Fruit and flowers.
Oh, fruit
and flowers.
Fruit and
Oh,
flowers.
man.
I need one of those or one of your own.
Okay, we're gonna pick flowers.
Okay, you're gonna go with flowers. The flowers are up there. Huge lead. If not,
It's gonna be
the
fruit.
Tuttles get the points. Show me a flower. Yeah, it's up there. Let's see the other 2. Number 2. Fruit, veggies. Okay, you had that one. Number 5. The lotto numbers. All right. We start a lotto game to go. Corbin's son, Henry. Paul's son, Mikey. Let's play.
Thank you.
Okay. Point values tripled, so still anybody's game. Top 4 answers are up on the board. Name something people get paid to predict. Mikey.
The weather.
I never thought of that. Show me the weather. Clear pass. Okay, Henry, you go over and see what happens. The good news is you don't get paid if you're right. You just get paid. Steve, what do you think?
I'm gonna say the future. Like
The future.
yeah.
The future. Yeah. Let's look to the future. Come on, Ron. 2 more answers. 2 more answers up there, Ron.
Traffic.
Traffic. A lot of people predicting that traffic. Show me traffic. Uh-oh, first strike. You okay, Paul?
I'm all right.
You all right?
A little faint. Feeling a little faint there.
Okay. I still got 2 answers up there. What do you think?
I go.
Name something people get paid to predict. 3 seconds. Oh, 2 strikes. Burnsons, get ready. Paul, it's all on you. What do you say?
I'm gonna have to say stocks.
Show me stocks. One answer left. You get this one, we're going to be playing sudden death. If not, Burnsons get a shot at stealing. What do you think? Name something people get paid to predict, Mikey.
Lotto numbers.
Lotto numbers. Let's find out. Show me the lotto. Oh, Burnson family. Here you go.
You got it.
What do you think, Angus?
Sporting events.
Oliver?
Sporting events.
Henry?
Sporting events.
Amanda?
Betting on
Something
schools.
like betting, horse races, sporting.
Betting on sporting events.
Sporting events.
Okay.
Including horse races.
All righty. If it's up there,
Yeah.
you guys will be playing for the fast money, $50,000 for your charity.
All right.
If not, we'll be playing a sudden death question. Show me betting on something. Whoa! Show me number 4. Earthquake. Wow. All right. Whole lot of shaking going on. Nobody reached 300 points, so we're going to play sudden death. Corbin's son, Oliver. Paul's friend, Steve. Let's play the feud. All right, here we go. Point value's triple. For this survey, we're asking for the top answer only. Whoever gets this answer wins the round, goes for fast money and the $50,000 for their charity. Tell me something in your body you might donate while you're still alive. Steve.
Kidney!
If it's up there, you're playing for the fast money. Show me kidneys. Corbin, you guys were great. Thank you. Amanda, thank you. Emily, you guys were a lot of fun. All righty. Hey, guess what? We do not want you going away empty-handed. We are going to donate $10,000 to the Rape Treatment Center of Santa Monica, okay? Thank you. Thank you. All right. All right, we need 2 players playing fast money. Paul, who else is going to play? Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Yeah, the 2 Pauls. Okay, you guys, we are going to be back to play fast money right after this. You got it. Welcome back to Celebrity Family Feud. The Tuttle family from American Chopper won the game. Time now to play fast money for $50,000 for their favorite charity, Make-A-Wish Foundation. You ready, Paul?
I'm ready, pal.
I'm going to ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. I want you to try to give me the most popular answer. If you can't think of something, say pass, and we'll try to get back to it if we have enough time left. 4. If you and Paul Jr. together get 200 points, you're going to win $50,000 for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. All right? You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Can I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Come on. Clock will start after I read the first question. Good luck. We asked 100 men, which occupation has the sexiest women? Pass. Okay.
Pass.
Name a pet you might have several of.
Cats.
Tell me another way to say that a woman is pregnant. Pass.
Pass.
Tell me a flower you might see in a corsage.
Rose.
Name a way people get around in New York City.
Taxi.
You got it in. All right. All right, let's take a look. We asked 100 men, Paul, which occupation has the sexiest women? You said nothing. Name a pet you might have several of. You said cats. Survey said 32. Tell me another way to say that a woman is pregnant. You said 0. Tell me a flower you might see in a corsage. You said a rose. Our survey said 40. All right. Name a way people get around in New York City. You said taxi. Our survey said 52. All right. Okay, get back over there. Let's cover up those answers. Clear the board. Come on out, Paul. All right.
This way?
You face out this way. The old man did pretty good. He got 124 points.
Good job.
You need 76 to win. I'm going to ask you the same 5 questions. You cannot duplicate your dad's answers. If you do, you'll hear this. I'll say try again, and you'll give me another answer.
Okay.
It's going to be a little tougher, so we're going to give you 25 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? All right.
Yes.
Let's remind everybody of Paul's answers. And please give me 25 seconds on the clock. Clock's going to start after I read the first question. Here we go, Paul. We asked 100 men, which occupation has the sexiest women?
Modeling.
Name a pet you might have several of.
Cats.
Try again.
Dogs.
Tell me another way to say that a woman is pregnant.
Knocked up.
Tell me a flower you might see in a corsage.
Rose.
Try again.
Calla lily.
Name a way people get around to New York City.
Cab.
Try again.
Town car.
All right. Just got in under the wire. All right. You only need 76 points. We asked 100 men which occupation has the sexiest women.
This is it right here, pal.
You said modeling. Our survey said 35. Number one answer. Name a pet you might have several of. You said dogs.
I did say dogs.
You did say dogs. We're not going to make that up.
No.
You said it. Our survey said whoa. Number one answer. You are 3 points away from $50,000 for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Tell me another way to say that a woman is pregnant. You said knocked up. Obviously, you saw the movie.
Yes.
Our survey said for $50,000, 20. Yes, number one. Number one answer with child. Rose was number one. Number one way to get around in New York City. Number one taxi cab. Nicely done. $50,000 for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. All right, very nice. We want to thank all the families for coming on Celebrity Family Feud. I'm Al Roker. Until next time, no feuding, just be loving.